mealtime, it's mealtime. Come and sit right here. Wash your hands and take your seat. Mealtime's full of cheer.
Pass the bread, share with everyone. Helping friends is always nice. Mealtime's full of fun.
Take a bite, know it nice and slow. Talking, laughing, sharing too, that's how mealtimes go.
Please and thank you, manners every day. We can eat and have some fun the kind and friendly way. All done now, time to clear away. Help your friends and tidy up, ready for mealtime day.
Dream Kids Island.